Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. I have my hair clipped back because I'm about to show you guys how I do a natural look, like a natural looks exactly like myself type of look. I already did my eyebrows and I already put my lashes on. As you can see, I have no eyeshadow on because I want this to be as natural as possible. So we're gonna get right into it. First, I'm going to start off with some Milk of Magnesia to prime my face. Milk of Magnesia really works really good for people who have oily skin like myself. It's a beauty hack for you guys. Just put a little bit on. You go start to see it get like white, like it look ashy. When you start to see it get white and ashy, and if you see like the little spots, just like dab it in, like I'm gonna do. Just dab it in so I won't have those white marks, or those white marks won't be in my makeup or my pictures or nothing else. All right, so that's that. Now I'm gonna get straight into my foundation. What I do is I take the end of the foundation and just like dab it on. See how I got the white? Just brush that white out from the Milk of Magnesia from the priming face. So this is all I do. Then I take my brush, take my blending brush, and I'm going to spray it with some primer. And then I'm now that we got that out the way, we're going to come back in with this primer in the color Fawn. And I am going to, not too much because you remember we are doing a natural look. We want to still look like ourselves, okay? I should have done a before and after. That would have been great. Okay. Before I start to blend, I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to line across my nose. Boom. Then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. See that? I'm gonna wet it and we'll blend. But I switched beauty blender. That one wasn't doing it for me. You know what they say? Go with what you know.
Her nerves gonna be so And she the only one there on the fucking salary. Yellow. And what color this is?
Pink.
That's not pink. What color this is, Lucky?
White.
Red.
Red. White.
What color that is?
White.
So my pants white?
Yeah.
Boy. He acting like he don't know.
Legend, spell your name.
L-G-T-T-T.
Go ahead, Miss Lee.
I-T-T.
Huh?
I-T-T. That's what.
You take a bath right there?
Yeah.
I'm going to take a bath. See you later, okay?
Okay, bye.
See y'all Monday.
Y'all, I put too much bronzer right here. Too much. Look at that. There we go. Okay, I'm over fucking doing it. Overdoing shit. Okay, I am done. And voila. That's how you do a natural beads. Simple and natural. See?